In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel sheet to WhatsApp using your laptop or PC. Let's get started by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type web.whatsapp.com and press Enter. This will take you to WhatsApp Web, which is the official way to use WhatsApp on your computer. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see a large QR code in the middle of the screen. Now, go to your phone and open the WhatsApp app. On most phones, you'll tap the three dots or the settings icon in the top corner. Then choose the option that says something like Linked Devices or WhatsApp Web. Tap the button to link a device, which will open your camera. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. After a moment, your chats will appear on the laptop. Make sure your phone stays connected to the internet while you're using WhatsApp Web. Next, on your computer, choose the chat where you want to send the Excel sheet. This can be an individual chat or a group chat. Click on it from the list on the left so that the conversation opens on the right side of the screen. Now it's time to attach your Excel file. Look for the small paperclip icon near the bottom of the chat window, usually next to the text box where you type messages. Click that paperclip. A small menu will pop up with a few options. Choose the option for Documents. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. In the File Explorer, navigate to the folder where your Excel sheet is saved. It might be in your Downloads, Documents, Desktop, or another folder, depending on where you stored it. Click once on the Excel file you want to send. Then click the Open button. You'll now see a preview of the document inside WhatsApp Web. If you want, you can type a short message to go along with the file. For example, a quick description of what's in the sheet. When you're ready, click the Send button. Wait a moment for the upload to finish, and you'll see the Excel file appear in the chat. The recipient can now download and open it directly from WhatsApp. And that's all it takes to send an Excel sheet to WhatsApp using your laptop or PC.